Alright, here's what's going on. There's a fish in here. I'm in the lake. I'm at the lake fishing, and all I have is the hook. You see the hook? And there's a fish. I see him in there, and he's got a hook in his mouth. And this is his, like maybe you can see him whenever he goes into his sunspot. There's little ones in there, see him? And it's probably a she or something, because they got babies in there or something, and they're chasing him out of there. Was a hook in its mouth, and I hooked that hook and almost had it. I pulled it out of the water, but once I did that, he took off. So we gotta wait till he comes back. It scares all these fish. Somebody didn't take their hook out of the water, out of the fish, so it's kind of messed up. But it's a beautiful day for fishing. Let's see if he's... I don't know if he's going to come back after that, because coming out of the water can be shocking. But he must have... He caught somebody's hook, so he either got away with it or they just left it in him. Oh well. We got people over there that are mad loud. Oh, there he is. She's back. See? Right there. That bad boy right there. He's got a hook in his mouth. I think I might have pulled it out. See, now I'm going to stick my hook right in there. He knows, see? I got my hook right near him. Yeah, he's like, he ain't doing that to me again. I might have pulled the hook out of his mouth, actually. I don't see it there anymore. This is how you fish with no bait. Stick that hook right there. Got him. Look at that bad boy. That's how you fish with no bait, baby. Look, now I got all the bait I need. Let's see if he's got that hook on him. Let's see here. Now look, now look what you did. You're not very smart, are you? Look at that. Hooked him in the water without any bait. See? He had a hook on him. Look at it. I barely got him with that. I just got him by a nick of his mouth. Come on, guy. Settle down. Alright, come here. He's a decent size. I mean, he's a sunfish, but, you know, you don't keep sunfish. Yeah, so I must have got that hook out of his mouth. He had a hook right here. That's how you fish with no bait. That's awesome. Yep. Now we're gonna let him go. Put him right back in there. There he goes. He's off. Alright, just showing you guys how you fish with no bait. All I did was put the hook in there, get it right to his mouth, and just yank up on it. And I got him right in the mouth. You can't do that much because you don't see the fish very much. So, but those are just sunfish. We don't really care about those. Alright, man. Thanks. Steve, I'm out.